Hi students! Welcome to Friends English Online. My name is Teacher Steph and I am a nursing graduate of the Pontifical University of Santo Tomas. I am 20 years old who loves to eat, sing, listen to music, hang out with friends, play sports such as track and field and kickball, go shopping, and most especially dancing, my greatest passion, where I express my feelings and release stress. As per experience, this is my first time to teach English. However, I already experienced working in a call center industry for 6 months. I believe that through the knowledge, skills, and attitude that I acquired from education helped me to be competent and confident enough to impart knowledge in English language. As per my favorite quote, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So let's learn English together, have fun, and change the world. See you in my class!